turn around this way because it leads up to the house. Actually, let me turn back around. I'm going to show you something because you got to see it at an angle. So that's where my foot was right here on this one. So the next one, and maybe another one underneath it, but it's not enough to really. Here's what I really want to show you. Look at that. Look at the angle of the burrow. When you spin around this way, you can get a better perception of it. So we spin around this way. Whatever made it did it from. This is downhill right now. So whatever did it, you know, there's a car here, by the way. So it possibly came from like around the side of the car. That's the first mark. Went this way. That's the second mark, and you've seen how far apart I had my legs. And by the way, this is the car. And it got here and stood here. And look, there's two more. So there's two heavy impressions and two different impressions, as if it did stand there two-legged, it, you know, changed its position. So look at the burrow, and they're all pretty much at this angle.
It is awesome. The awesome. They built a castle for showing God's true power. She has a kingdom with two castles and a barn with horses. She is the Lord of the Lords of God of the universe forever and ever and amen. She has been chosen by the great intelligence to go over all human beings. From here on out, we will not be picking no one else but this little girl. She is awesome. Those are great intelligence. Bye-bye.
Those two back there, see? I just didn't say anything. Here's another marking. Well, this one's angled different. This one's angled as if it were made. If it were a squirrel that did it, standing right here. Okay? See the angle?
Yeah.
But, so now this is uphill right here. This is up here toward the house. This is downhill where it came from.
Yes. That is wonderful.
Came from that direction.
Now my enemies are down on the beast and demons. Yeah. Okay. Well, I have to drop this too and take y'all for visiting. You're a welcome, God. My sister's working the box. That's the commander. The one that broke down the road, y'all, at the police office. Oh, yeah. Those burgundy and white robes, I would need your castle to wear those next to me. That is also my castle from the past. I forgot. So y'all make sure you dress with your robes. The kingdom of heaven is down? Yeah. They need the robes. They need to know the truth. The world is citizen of the United States, right? Yeah. Well, whoever's important needs to stand next to God. I will. Yeah. Y'all gonna have to drop me, okay? There's a lot of powers on this body. Alright, and I'm in pain. So make sure y'all do it very carefully. Okay? Get to the packages on shit though, okay? Not the head. And do autopsy and find out what kind of powers we got, alright?
That's pretty much it.
With the powers. Okay.
There are different marks in right here. The heavier part
in the castle, on
is
the box.
a little bit indistinguishable.
With the gravity. Yeah. Okay, we'll check it.
But here's the kicker. I don't like using that word, but it explains it best. Here's the kicker. The grass is like moved away. If anything's gonna step right here, would it just make an impression rather than a burrow? There goes another one.
Making sure I grabbed everybody. Yeah, they all up there. Okay.
I don't know exactly what does that. Maybe it's just a little squirrel. Maybe it's some little night creature. But there's another one. It's like it's just moved away straight down to the dirt. I mean, I could step on this, but my footprint doesn't go down to the dirt. So, what did this? Doesn't make a lot of sense. And only reason why I'm doing this video is because I've seen these exact same footprints in the snow years ago. Exact same footprints, and they led toward the house. And it just kind of didn't make any sense. They'll lead from the road up to the house and away from the house. Almost in a triangle type of way, but not perfect triangle. More like one-sided longer than the other. Just up to the house and leading away.
Okay, thank you. All right. Okay, well, she's talking down.
Oh well. And look at the footprint in that. Look at the print in that. So this is
Singleton.
like, it's got a very
What? I'm up
defined
here.
print.
You in the castle? Yeah. Okay. Well, anyway, I broke down the rug. All right. That's cool. All right. All right. I'm going to break down some white ones. Okay, thank you.
So any comments as to why, what makes those type of prints in the middle of the night and in the snow?